Hello, welcome back to Behind the Fader Steel Live Sound channel. Today I want to talk about noise gates again. I mean, if you follow my channel, then you probably know that I personally have stopped using noise gates a long time ago. Nevertheless, let me tell you about the one method that I think works great with noise gates if you want to do it. This is not really for you as a local sound engineer. This is for you if you're constantly working with a band. You might want to consider this. I learned this method when I was working with Metallica because Big Mick showed me how it worked. But by now I learned that a lot of bands are using this nowadays. And what you do is you use triggers. You use these little trigger pads, which are usually there to trigger sounds from a sampler or something. So you need an additional set of channels. So you send these triggers to front of house, and now you sidechain your noise gate with these triggers. And there's two advantages. The first is obviously it's very clean. It's very precise because this noise gate will not open to anything else but the dedicated drum. It will not open to a crash cymbal or the snare drum or anything else. And the second advantage is because the trigger sits directly on the skin of the drum, the noise gate is open by the time that the sound reaches the microphone. Sometimes if you use noise gates in the conventional way, you sometimes have the problem that you miss a bit of the transient because the noise gate only opens when the sound hits the microphone. In this case, when the sound hits the microphone, the noise gate is already wide open. So you might consider this. I just thought I let you know about this method. Think it through. Maybe it's useful for you. And that's already it for today, really. If you have questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. If you have a lot of questions, consider booking yourself a coaching call, even if it's just 15 minutes. And if you want to help the channel out a little bit, give me a super thanks. And please, if you haven't already, subscribe. Still, like 80% of the people watching these videos are not subscribed, and it's just a little click and it helps me so much. And that's already it for today. Bye-bye.